Welcome to Sunyani, the capital city of Ghana's Bono region. Today, we take you above one of the busiest and most important commercial centers in the city, the Nana Bosoma Central Market, popularly known as the Wednesday Market. From this area perspective, we get a rare opportunity to understand the size, activity, and importance of this market to the people of Sunyani and the surrounding communities. What we are witnessing today is not just another construction update. This is the transformation of an existing economic center where thousands of traders, customers, drivers, and businesses operate every day. At the center of this transformation is the proposed Sunyani 24-hour economy model market, a redevelopment project aimed at creating a modern trading environment for the municipality. The proposed Nana Bosoma 24-hour economy model market form part of the 24-hour economy initiative introduced by the National Democratic Congress, the NDC. The policy is focused on expanding economic activities beyond traditional working hours and encouraging the development of facilities that can support business operating for longer periods. Across Ghana, markets play a major role in local economies. They are not only places where goods are bought and sold, but also spaces that support thousands of livelihoods. For Sunyani, Nana Bosoma Central Market has remained one of the city's major commercial centers for many years, serving traders, customers, transport operators, and communities within and beyond the Bono region. As the drone moves across the market, the intensity of activities becomes very clear. Towards this section of the market, commercial activities remain very vibrant. Hundreds of traders and customers can be seen moving through the market environment, while taxis, commercial vehicles, and transport operators continue their daily operations. This part of the market is closely connected with transport activities in Sunyani, with taxi stations and lorry terminals serving as important links between the city and surrounding towns. The movement we see from above represents the everyday economic energy that keeps this part of Sunyani alive. Focusing on the center of the market, the major change becomes visible. A large section within the Nana Bosoma Central Market has been cleared, creating an open rectangular space surrounded by existing market structures. This is the area prepared for the proposed 24-hour economy model market. The clearing of this section represents the beginning of a transition from the previous market arrangement towards a planned and modern commercial facility. From above, the contrast between the cleared area and the surrounding active market structures tells an important story, the old and the new existing side by side. Although redevelopment preparations have started, commercial activities around the area continue. The surrounding market shares remain occupied and traders continue their daily businesses. Within part of the cleared area, some temporary trading activities can still be observed, with some vendors using umbrellas and temporary arrangements while the redevelopment process moves forward. This shows the reality of transforming an existing market environment. Unlike developing a project on vacant land, the redevelopment within a busy commercial center requires careful planning to balance construction activities with the needs of traders and customers. From an engineering and urban development perspective, market redevelopment involves much more than constructing buildings. Proper planning must consider several important factors, including pedestrian movement, vehicle access, drainage systems, sanitation facilities, waste management, safety, and the efficient organization of trading spaces. A modern market is designed not only to have shops, but also to create a better environment where businesses can operate effectively. The success of this project will depend on how well the final stage responds to the needs of traders, customers, and the wider Sunyani community. As we move on from the aerial view to the ground level, we get a closer look at the current condition of the redevelopment area. The clear space provides an indication of the scale of the proposed development. Around it, the existing market continues operating, showing how economic activity continues even during this period of change. For many traders, this market is more than just a workplace. It is a source of income, a meeting point, and an important part of the social and economic identity of Sunyani. Historically, Nana Bosoma Central Market has played a major role in the growth of Sunyani. Every market has its own character, and this one has become deeply connected with the daily life of the city. Farmers, wholesalers, retailers, transport operators, and customers all depend on this commercial ecosystem. The redevelopment therefore represents not only a fiscal change, but also an opportunity to improve how this important economic center functions in the future. According to plans announced by the Sunyani Municipal Assembly, the redevelopment is expected to provide improved marketing facilities, including modern shops, organized trading spaces, improved sanitation infrastructure, and supporting facilities. The aim is to create a safer, cleaner, and more organized environment that can serve the growing needs of Sunyani. When completed, the 24-hour economy model market is expected to become an important commercial facility, supporting increased economic activities within the municipality. Looking at Nana Bosoma Central Market, we can clearly see a city center undergoing transformation. The busy trading areas, the transport activities, the clear redevelopment sites, and the existing market structures all represent different stages of this transition. As redevelopment progresses, we will continue monitoring this project and bringing you future updates from the ground and from the air.
That's forward line. Another 50. I'm telling you.